Open.
Open.
Mm-hmm.
Open.
Oh, wow.
Turn the lights on the tree. Open this. Open this.
Oh. Can you open?
Here, hold the string. Hold the string. Right there. Pull it.
Oh, that's pretty.
Pull it. You smell it? Smell it.
Wow.
Tear the paper off. It's okay. You can tear it. Good job. Keep going. Open the box. Oops. Here. What is that? That's just for Kaya. Can you open it up? Pick it up.
Oh my goodness. What is that, Kaya?
Oh, it's for your kitchen. It's for your kitchen. Watch. Look, I need to put it on. Oh, it's Kaya's size, not any size.
You gonna try it on?
It's for Kaya. No?
And then just try it on.
No. No. Look, Anil put apron on. Look. See, look. Annie has an apron on to cook. Wear an apron in the kitchen so we don't get food on us. Oh, it's cute. It's cute.
Just have to practice, huh?
Hi, look, Annie has apron on. Look, I have an apron on and so do you.
Aww.